Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And today we are here to introduce two new products that we launched today, the Floral Meadow and the Floral Runner. We're so excited to talk about these products with you.
Yeah. Here we have the Floral Meadow. Do a quick 360. And this is essentially a grand centerpiece without the base. So if you want to do like a grounded arch but you want some height to it, these are great for that. In front of a sweetheart table, mantle, in front of a table, like anything you want to do with this, you can totally like just place it and go. So
yeah, it sits flat. The bottom of it is foam. Everything is glued in and attached, so like Emily said, you just take it out in place. It's very, very lightweight. Yes. But still, like if you place it on the ground, it'll still stay. Yes. So yeah, this is the Floral Meadow. The next new product we're talking about is our Floral Runner. So as you can see, it's pretty large. It's about 5 feet in length. It can bend completely and stay intact. It's really, really incredible. So it'll basically arrive to you in like half, and then you just take it out. You don't even really need to fluff it much, but it has similar foam back as the Meadow. Everything is glued in. They have these Velcro straps so that you can adjust it to any type of arch or structure that you're using, and then you can just tighten it up. And no zip ties required. You really just use these 3 straps on here. This can be used for a few different ways. We had it on the table earlier. It lies flat, so this table is just your standard 8 foot. Is it 8 foot long? I think so. This is like a standard 8-foot folding table. These are not your regular wedding rectangle tables. Yeah. Those are a little wider. But this sits perfectly in the middle of the table. You can put it down your aisle. You can put it on an arch. You can on a mantle. On the mantle, it's really nice. We have photos of that on our website under the product. Yes. 2 of these together, it would be a floral cloud, essentially. Yeah. If you put 2 back to back and then hang it from the ceiling, it would be a cloud. We'll have to try that. Yeah. Let us know if you want to see us try and do that. I think we can make it work. I think that would be really cool. Okay. So for now, these 2 products are only available in our Jane collection, which is great because everyone loves Jane, and the color palette is so, it's very neutral, green, white, classic, so it goes with a lot of our other collections. If you want these products to come to any of our other collections, let us know in the comments. Yes. We are taking customer feedback very seriously with these products and taking everyone's request into consideration. Yes. So we just did this little thing quickly. It's not a huge how-to, but you can see how it lays on a table and how the Meadow looks at the base of the table. But we will be launching our fall-winter lookbook in August. Yes. And we have some really cool concepts and installs that we used the Runner and Meadow for, so y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be really cool. A lot of new things coming. Yeah. And yeah, we're excited to show everyone what we and I'm excited to see how everyone uses these products. Like we mentioned a lot of different ways to use them, so y'all get creative. Yeah. Tag us in your photos, send us your photos, and we're excited to see them. Yeah, and there you have it, our Floral Runner and Floral Meadow, now available at SBBlooms.com. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say on what we do next. See y'all next week. Bye.